Hello, this is Arif Irfanullah. It is early April 2019, and in this brief clip, I will share some thoughts with you related to the Level 3 exam. My first point is about your schedule. If you've been following my advice, I want you to finish at least one round of the curriculum by early May so that you have about 6 weeks for your final review and practice. So take stock of where you are now. If you are behind schedule, then you need to accelerate. My next point is related to our grading service. As I have said several times, a major stumbling block at level 3 is the essay exam. Many good students fail level 3 because they perform poorly on the essay exam, and we don't want that happening with you. So clearly you need to practice as much as possible, but practice alone is not enough. Once you practice an essay exam, you need somebody to guide you in terms of whether you are answering questions properly or not. And this is where our grading service comes in. With this service, you can take an exam and then send us your material. We will grade your exam and give you feedback in terms of how to best answer questions on the essay exam. We are also offering a product called the Completion Portfolio. The best possible essay exam practice is to work through actual essay exams that have been released by CFA Institute. But the issue is that in 2019, the curriculum has changed. So when you work through a 2015 or 2016 essay exam, there will be some questions that are no longer relevant for 2019. So in this completion portfolio, we give you questions that complete the portfolio of questions for a given year. If you start with the 2015 paper, we will tell you which questions are no longer relevant, and then we'll give you substitute questions that allow you to create a full 3-hour exam. To learn more about our completion portfolio, please visit our website. So the two key messages for now are, number one, make sure that you are on schedule. If not, then you need to accelerate, and make sure that you are preparing properly for the essay exam. That is it for now. Best of luck with your studies.